subscribe. Let's go!
Yeah. Do you want to sit in the front?
No, you sit
Oh, okay. Welcome to Samoa. What do you think of the heat?
Delicious.
Oh my, Leauva'a. Wala lang mula liyo. Sa Kapwala. Oh, this is Faleolo Airport. Oh, langi fu Samoan. Welcome to Samoa. Oh, this is Leauva'a. Leauva'a. Is it the same here with Fiji Bay? We used to do that when we were little. Alright, this is the back road, guys. Just gotta go to Vodafone and get some SIM card. Oh, wala so mga sa iyali. Oh, that's fine. Oh, this is Dad's resting place. Welcome home, darling. This is your Toamua resort. That's Nise, the older one. That's Ferila. Go say hi. Hey, Mama. Oh, look, that's Titi's little one. FJ.
It's Ferila.
That's Ferila. Yo, singa la. Singa, malatuna. Ang isa na. That's the general manager for Toamua. And then that's the groundskeeper. The groundskeeper is the slash chef. Gee. Oh wow, raw fish. The master bedroom, this ocean view. Have you got your card to check in? Have you checked in?
Wow.
Yeah. This is the master bedroom.
Oh, it smells awesome here.
Ocean view, balcony, private balcony and everything.
Does that mean?
I think that's a Chilean things room. Oh, pokule ma'am. Pokule oi. Oh, that's it's getting a service that room. Oh yeah. Chay, kalau malap kemba. What are you? Hello, FJ. Sorry. Put your shoes on. The last one, Nila. Oh, nice. Cooling you down?
Yeah.
Nice.
So good.
Refreshing. Laling wala mele angin lah. Casey. Yeah, Casey. This is the master. This is the kitchen. Ooh, smell like curry. Let's go.
Wow. It's a real item. What's that fruit?
Oh, sasalapa lah. Siapa lang yung sasalapa? No idea.
Spiky fruit.
It's not dragon fruit.
Is it durian?
I have no idea. Bob. This is the other extension of the Toamua. It's the new area. Ooh. Yep. This is a Chilean things where they. Nah, I think that's it. Oh, nah, this is the real kitchen. This is where the umi was happening. This is your typical Samoan kitchen. You have your oven over there, gas cooker. Also another form.
My arms look so bad. You have to cut my arms out.
But yeah, this is it. Welcome. Oh wow.
Color.
Wala umuwag. Wala umu. Man. So we have raw fish, luau, curry, taro, and breadfruit. Nice. Amen. Oh. I'll try the raw fish. Oh.
Oh, thank you. You're good. Thank you.
Titi, son. I'm gonna try raw fish. Oh, raw fish. Nah, not yet. Raw fish. Oh, taro. And luau. Luau, bro. Ooh, this looks delicious. Oh, yeah. Oh, you like chili, eh? So chili. No chili.
I want to try that.
Ulu. Racing. Ada dua lah. Racing.
Is that like a house?
I'm not a fan.
Oh.
Nah. Mmm. Mmm. Nah, itu raw fish. Nah, kita mau put daun umang ni loh. Jadi mana put lah? Oh. Saucy.
That's amazing.
Man. Luau and taro. Mmm. He charging you a fund?
Yeah. Oh, it's okay. Good.
That's it.
New Zealand has the best. Oi! Hi! Alright, let's go for a tour around the city.
It's a market.
Oh, that's the new market over there, right? That's the new one there. Yeah. Right turn, mate. Lan Faleolo. Oh, government building. Yo. Oh, yeah, that's the Talofa back there. Yeah. And this is the Leauva'a Hotel. Yeah. Oh, I live with me, my modi. Elisa. Lea. عارف Faleolo. Oh, the church. What's this one? Oh wow, yeah, it's the nightlife. It's the nightlife, yo. This is the bus stand. Well, this is where the bus comes. People come to the main. Oh, iya kele ya fusu anga. Onga. Oh, you saw it. Yeah. Oh, ila nga meet sa film so far. Yeah, this is the meetup place. This is where the bus comes in. And if ole makikia, le lumaku. Oh, that's the fish market here. This is where Titi's in-laws, they come sell their fish here. That's the famous clock in Samoa. Oh, nah. Alright. This is Fitu's wife's workplace. Darling, what Faleolo? Central Bank. Oh, yeah, that's right.
So what's the difference between here and the other place that we just went?
That's no South Church.
Catholic.
Catholic. It's the main Catholic church.
It's a wolf.
That's the Samoa Police Headquarters. And I think that's the Sheraton over there. This is the Sheraton Hotel.
He works in Samoa.
Casino.
Oh wow, it's a casino. A casino, oh, there's Sheraton. Oh, that's the Sheraton here. Oh wow.
It's a mãi là một phòng ngủ. Chỉ thế nhiều một phòng ngủ.
Oh,
Và là đi gặp nhiều show mà.
welcome to What's KK?
Mát.
Oh, it's KK Mart.
Yung sa kay tao ulan for 50.
Oh, you all. Oh, that's to Fiku's house.
Paling ibarat di sini mãi một.
Oh,
Kalau saya yêu cầu ba mà một.
that is the main Mormon church here in Samoa.
Boleh kira orang mau dia mah, bukan mah.
Oh, so apparently they used to decorate it, but not this year. DMC! Samoa's version of KFC. Oh, barbecue.
This is where we stand.
This is.
Pastor's house.
Oh, yeah.
This side.
Yeah. We used to stay here, le. La kako falangi kako koi. Oh. So we used to stay back there. Oh, this is Afile's school over here. Check out the lights. This is the main Methodist church in Samoa.
Cô phổi nó của ngày ba rồi.
Yeah. Whoa. Man, even the cemetery, from a mountains. Pretty. Okkasema jokin on Leauva'a. Leauva'a. Here, see. Also, what a pinko you are. Man, look at that. Oh, very nice. Che un po' Faleolo Airport. Yeah. Oh, se chiamo del Faleolo cavolo. Oh man, that's pretty.
Yeah, phải nhô con
Ah, sì, sorry.
round.
Man, ma ngayon che un Faleolo. Oh wow, look at that. Alright, we just came on the back road. Oh man, Samoa. Ma, eu que uma lá por fora. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh. Give me rainbow. Dala wala mula ali.
Faleolo.
Oh,
Faleolo ukali.
Faleolo buka. Oh wow.
Phải nó phanh.
Ada kamalo, ada kamalo.
Oh, okay.